There have been over 50,000 cases of Covid-19 in Ireland since February, lower than in many European countries, but the number of infections has been increasing steadily in recent weeks. In a televised address on Monday, the Prime Minister said that while Ireland had introduced probably the strictest regime in Europe, more needed to be done to curb the spread of the virus.
The government has decided that the evidence of a potentially grave situation arising in the weeks ahead is now too strong. Therefore, for a period of 6 weeks from midnight on Wednesday night, the entire country will move to level 5 of the framework for living with COVID-19.
Under the restrictions, schools will remain open and construction work will continue, but all non-essential retail outlets are to be closed, while pubs and restaurants will only be allowed to provide a takeaway service. People are being asked to stay at home, but will be able to go out for exercise, as long as they stay within 5 kilometres of where they live. In the UK, tougher restrictions are also coming into force in Wales this week. Non-essential retail, leisure, hospitality and tourism businesses are closing from Friday, and people have been told to stay home for 2 weeks.
The idea of going back into lockdown is a bit worrying for me. Especially I'm diabetic, so I have to shield. So that's going to mean another few weeks or months inside. So
just don't know how much more people can take with not being with their families.
With Ireland and Wales preparing to re-enter lockdown, the World Health Organization is urging vigilance. It's blamed the rising number of cases in the Northern Hemisphere on a failure to properly quarantine those who've been infected. Globally, over 1.1 million people have died from COVID-19. More than 250,000 of those fatalities have been in Europe.
Let's cross